So this project is an existing electric baseboard project. So through the utility division of New Hampshire, they're allowing us to convert this to a VRF electrification job. 6 stories, over 100 rooms in the building. There's probably 18 drops down the north and south side of the building, multiple condensers, and then they made roof boots. And those boots are what's protecting the refrigerant lines to go into that soffit down the exterior wall. And then they have all the support, pipe insulation. These retrofit projects are kind of tricky to do. This project has an overhang. As you can see, they're actually core holing the top of the roof where the eave is to be able to drop the refrigerant lines down to the outside of the building. They'll then soffit in those refrigerant lines to make it more aesthetically pleasing. And then they got to punch through every room through the brick to be able to bring the head and the condensate and the electrical into that room. You know, commercially, a lot of people do new installs of VRF. When we do retrofits like this takes a lot of skill, design, contractor needs to be very qualified. These kind of systems, because we have multiple units, we have some redundancy in the building, and this will be able to heat and cool at cold climate temperatures. It's going to cost the building less money to operate using a heat pump versus electric baseboard.